Hey guys, welcome back to Olive Gray Avenue. We are installing the link system right here, replacing this guy on the wall because we need more space.
I made this.
Yeah.
So it's sad for me.
We kept it for a while,
yeah.
But we're gonna put up the Ryobi Link System and I'm real pumped about it. We got all the things.
We have way too many of the things. We got really into Ryobi. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 visible things. And then we have 4 drawers full of Ryobi tools, and then we have a bunch of batteries everywhere. We have chargers, extra chargers, more chargers, the 40-volt charger. Then behind me on these shelves, we have the leaf blower. We have a power washer. We got too much. There's a lot. So the link system, we're gonna see how well it helps us organize this mess. First things first, let's get this whole area cleaned up. There's way too much stuff on the floor. There's way too much stuff on the walls. Let's see what we're working with. We're in the middle of cleaning up. But I'm super proud of when I made this thing, putting it on with it's called a French cleat. When I first learned about it, I was like, oh, French cleat thing. So I think it's pretty neat. Boop, take it off. Just like that, see? It was holding all that weight. Look at all that sawdust. That's a problem. You need a dust system. Just comes right off. And that ledge thing was just holding all of the weight of all those tools and anything else that we wanted to put on there. So I just thought that was pretty neat. Ta-da, easy. The cleanup portion is done. You saw it took like, I don't know, 2 seconds or something. The French cleat did stick to the wall a bit. I think it was freshly stained when we put it back up there, or still a little tacky. We'll just put the link system over there. Like, we ain't gotta worry about it. It'll be okay. We'll cover it up. It'll be between me and you. But Ruth is unboxing the link system. Boop, come with me. Whoa. So we got a cabinet. This is one piece of the link system.
I think I got like 16 of them.
16? And here we go. Let's go into an inventory real quick. So we have 1, 2, 3 million batteries. We have a pump. We have a couple things that aren't even opened yet because we're like, oh, we'll use that later. And we have not used it yet. But we also didn't want to undo these things before we got a cool system like this link system to put them somewhere or see if they fit somewhere. Some of the stuff was gotten for camping, like this cool thing. You put a battery on it and boom, got yourself some power sources. This one also is a light, another set of power sources, take it wherever you go. So that's why we have so many batteries. I can charge them and take them anywhere. Multiple fans for when I do go camping or I'm in the backyard. A bunch of drills, tools, drivers, multi-tool. So this will be great. Ignore the mess behind here.
It's a process.
We'll get there. Show me some garages is perfect. And I'll say that, I don't know.
They're lying.
They're lying. It's fake news. Don't worry about it. So Ruth is out here putting these things down. And I am a sucker for things that just fit perfectly. And I mean perfectly. I mean, look at that. Right here is where they connect. Everywhere that these link systems touch or come, they go into each other, right? Of course, they're just, made that way. But they just, ooh, yeah, perfect. We're putting them all out, seeing how many we have. Hope we have enough. How much of a wall. We also have a cabinet over there. We're thinking maybe the cabinet in the middle. There's a lot to plan. Maybe we don't have to take the things off the wall. Maybe we do. This is the planning portion to make sure what it's going to look like. We want it to look nice. But I just wanted to show you how easy this is. We're basically going to find a stud in one of these holes, and then you drill the stud in. If you don't have studs in those areas, you're going to use drywall anchors. If you have a stud that you have to prioritize, you want to make sure it's in the middle so that it connects between the 2 portions there and holds it up. But so far, it looks super easy, but we say that about every project. So we'll let you know at the end how easy it actually was. Like I said, whoops, don't worry about it. Okay, we have this up. This is the center stud that we're using. We got it perfect. We're going for this light to be here because the center stud will hold, and then we have other studs basically marked along the edge and the end. So we'll have 3 stud points for really good stability. We just have to make sure that this ends up level, and it will be about a foot-ish from the top of the cabinet.
we're done. So we went up pretty high. I can't even reach up there, but we can put stuff we don't use often up there. But we're going to move everything around, mount it, and this system is so nice. We can put it on, and then if we want to move it somewhere else, it's super easy.
Modular. Well. This is our first try at putting this up. We kind of just threw things up here to kind of see how it works, what fits. But I don't think so. I don't think this is the final fit. And then we got to figure that out. Things can go up high. We have this to hold tools. This holds tools.
So we're gonna have these buckets here, like above the outlet, so that nothing hangs in front of that. These we have to kind of play with because they're gonna hold like the tools and stuff. But these are really deep. Like we found out that we can hold 2 drills and drivers. Yep. Drill or driver in one slot.
Yeah.
So that's a lot.
Yeah.
Which is good though.
Yeah. Or we can put batteries in here too. You got a lot of those. You can also just put the battery in.
Then we have these little things like a little screwdriver. So like those can go in here. And then...
we're gonna try to move this one up. Let me see. These are kind of they hold a lot of weight, so they kind of have to up. Yep. And then the way they go, we're gonna go up one level so that we can still reach stuff up there. Ah! Push, pull down as you go. So this has a little shelf on top, which we're gonna put some stuff that's tall, kind of like these guys that we don't use very often, but when we want them, we want them. So you can see they're up there. We can take a little step stool or something, grab it. We're short people. And then it also has something here where you can, if you know it's up there, you can just kind of grab it. Put some stuff here if you want to. So
yeah, it'll still mostly be accessible. We're just mostly using the bottom part.
Yeah. This is for the battery holder, which pretty neat. They just go right there. We have so many batteries. I think we underestimated how many we needed, and we might need to get more.
Well, we have enough to put
8
them here and then the other 4 on the charger.
I lied when I said we didn't get enough. I just am not smart. And someone else took care of it. So. We got a bunch of the stuff on. If not, I think we got it all. There's a couple batteries left, but those batteries are going to go in the charger.
Yeah.
This is like a really cool system, how we have it all set up here. We can change things out. As we continue to buy more of the Ryobi stuff, we can keep moving things around. We have empty slots here, but as we put something else on, off it comes, move it elsewhere.
This is really handy. I love having everything all together, and this is going to be really nice for the little containers for things that we use all the time.
If you're wondering how we get up there, this little step stool was made by this little lady here, and it's still held up. As for what it is, you know, you did a great job making it.
Now you're gonna break it. Don't! How would you rate this?
Installation, super easy, 9 out of 10. Modularity, really big thing for me, I like it. So 10 out of 10 on that. Aesthetics, 10 out of 10 because it has these little hexagons. I really like that. I kind of really love this thing. I've seen other systems like it, but I've never tried those, so I can't say anything about them. One, this place was a mess before. If you saw, we cleaned it up, so it made it like 1,000 times better. And then adding this to it really cleaned up almost a lot of the shop area.
And we have empty drawers now.
Yep, empty drawers to put stuff in, more cables, more chargers, more tool pieces.
Just don't look behind us over there. We'll get to that another day, but this is awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching us install the Link System. If you haven't subscribed below, do it now and like the video so that we can keep doing cool stuff like this.
I can't keep paying for this stuff. Y'all gotta help me out. I swear. Need some help.
We'll see you next time. Bye.